Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making mango lime chicken. This chicken is gonna be so delicious. We're gonna grill it to perfection and then finish it in the oven. I'm gonna serve this chicken with zesty lime rice and a spicy mango salad that's gonna have a lime vinaigrette. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with prepping our chicken. I'm using a full chicken here. You could also use chicken thighs instead. Let's batch cook the chicken so we can cook a bit faster. Now normally you would remove this backbone, but I'm gonna leave it in there. Now just turn the chicken around. Oh my god, what's wrong with this chicken today? Just press it down until you hit that click. Now add a few cuts to the chicken, but not too many. We're gonna season the bird with a good touch of salt, some of this coarsely ground black pepper, and finally some of this spicy Cajun seasoning. It's gonna have a lot of flavor. You wanna give that a good tap and do the same from the other side. Stuff those cuts with the seasoning. And finally you wanna mop off all that seasoning. This mango lime chicken is gonna leave you speechless. Of course, in a good way. And let it rest in the fridge for a few hours or overnight for best results. For the mango lime dressing, give it the mangoes and with some of this mandarin for more flavor. With the zest of fresh lime, get all the citrus flavor in there. With the flesh of whole lime without the skin, remove any seeds. With the 2 to 3 green chilies, you can add more if you like. With the smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, a good pinch of black pepper. With the brown sugar, we gotta balance those flavors and remove any bitterness. With the salt, with the white vinegar, some of this water, a good touch of oil, use sunflower or olive. And finally in with the thyme, don't use any garlic or onion in this marinade. Now you want to cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Alright guys, let's check this. Our delicious mango lime marinade. Done. Have a little taste. This is so delicious. Now you can adjust any seasoning if you need to, but this is perfect. And remove your seasoned chicken into the bowl. Make sure to remove it at least 20 minutes from the fridge. Add a good touch of marinade onto there and you want to save some for later use. Now using your beautiful hands, give this a really good mix and marinate it properly. Try to go under the skin as well. The flavors are going to be amazing on this chicken, trust me, and it's going to be next level. Now again, it would be best if you can leave it to marinate, but if you don't have the time, I don't blame you. Now ideally you want to flame grill this chicken, but I don't have that, so I'm going to grill the chicken and then finish it in the oven. Alright, to grill the chicken, turn up the heat around medium high. Spray with a good touch of oil, just to ensure nothing sticks to it. And when the grill is nice and hot, let's place our chicken breast side down. Make sure everything is touching the pan. Now we're going to flip the chicken every 4 to 5 minutes until it's 60 to 70% done. And then we're going to finish in the oven. Like I said, you could flame grill or barbecue this if you have that. But let's turn the chicken. Be careful. And again, just make sure everything is touching the grill. Now we're going to start brushing with some of the marinade. Oh, it's about to get hot in here. And let's turn the chicken again. And let's brush that with more marinade. It smells amazing and it looks so good. And a final turn to the chicken. Bismillah. And a final layer of the marinade. So beautiful. Alright, the chicken looks great. Let's remove it onto an oven tray. Season with a light pinch of salt and pepper. And spray with a light touch of oil. Now this goes into a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. Listen, if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe. You don't want to miss on some great recipes. For the rice, I'm using Iranians. I've got a bit of the garlic, some of the red chilies, some of the lime juice we're going to use later. We're going to garnish it with some of these spring onion greens. Again, we got some of the red chilies. These are mild, by the way. And for the spices, I'm keeping it very simple. We're going to have some of the black cumin seeds, some bay leaves, some of the cloves. Just to add a bit more aroma in there. Of course, some white pepper, black pepper, some of the cayenne pepper, and salt. And we're also going to use some of the chicken stock, which is infused with green onions. And finally, here we got our rice, which have been soaking in water for at least half an hour. We're going to wash and drain the excess water. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn up the heat on medium. With a good touch of oil. With your onions. Cook the onions until they are nice and golden brown. You hear the sizzle? That's exactly what you're looking for. You can leave them covered for a few minutes so they can soften up and deglaze with a touch of water if you see anything is burning. Now in with your garlic and cook the rawness of the garlic. Put in your red chili and all of your spices. Cook the rawness of those spices as well, so we get a perfect taste in our rice. And we know the spices could burn, so we're gonna deglaze with water. And now I'm gonna throw in our chicken stock, which has been infused some of the green onions. Bismillah. Squeeze in some of the lime juice. It's gonna add a bit of the acidity that we're looking for. Give that a really good mix and bring it to simmer. And when it starts to simmer, we're gonna throw in our rice. And again, you want to give that a mix and let it cook until there is some water left. Let the rice absorb all the water. Also, this is the best time to check for any seasoning. Oh, it smells amazing. Trust me, these are one of the best rice that you're gonna try. Let's check this. Alright, as you can see, there's some water left. At this point of time, we're gonna turn the heat to low. Place a clean kitchen cloth on the top. Place your lid. Make sure it's nice and tight. And we're gonna let this steam up for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. Alright guys, let's check our rice. Bismillah. Looks absolutely amazing. I'm just gonna turn off the heat. Carefully fluff these up. Oh, perfectly cooked rice. Now add a really good touch of lemon zest onto there. And some of these spring onion greens and red chili. Oh, these are so fragrant and they smell so good. Our mouth-watering lime chili rice. Done. Just gonna have a little taste. These are so delicious. For the lime vinaigrette, in with the white vinegar. In with the mustard. In with the paste of fresh garlic. Give this a good whisk. Now slowly mix in the olive oil until the vinaigrette comes together. You really want to make sure you're adding that oil nice and slow. You don't want to break the emulsion. And now we have this beautiful emulsion. It looks amazing. Now you want to season this with salt, freshly ground black pepper, some of this parsley, in with the zest of fresh lime, and finally in with the juice of fresh lime. Give that a really good mix. Have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. That's perfect. Our delicious lime vinaigrette. Done. For the spicy mango salad. Here with a handful of spinach, here with a cucumber, San Marzano tomatoes, spring onion greens, the sweet mango. You can also throw in some of the sweet corn if you like. Mild red chili, some of this fresh coriander, and some mint. We will serve this with our lime vinaigrette and you can season it later. Our delicious spicy mango salad. Done. Our mouth-watering mango lime chicken is done. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to try this. Alright guys, let's plate this up. And with your delicious mango lime chicken, our spicy mango salad, and with your zesty lime rice, and with your lime vinaigrette. This is one of the best mango lime chicken you will ever try. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks amazing. I'm gonna try the salad first. Let's go. Bismillah. Wow. That is so delicious. Everything complements each other so well. The sweetness from the mangoes, the San Marzano tomatoes, along with our lime vinaigrette. This is something that you definitely have to try. Let's jump on the rice. Wow. The rice is so different, full of flavor. It has a bit of kick to it from the red chilies. Really nice. You guys gonna enjoy this a lot. Alright, let's try the chicken now. Wow. That is so mouth-watering. The chicken is perfectly cooked. It's so nice and juicy. Oh, this mango lime chicken is right there with the peri peri chicken. Let's try it with some of the rice and the sauce. Bismillah. That is just so good. Now if you want to enjoy the food even more, you gotta start eating with your hands. This has to be one of the best dishes ever. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. big for your family. Enjoy.